Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Python Brains. Hope you all are well and study well. So students, basically you know that after completion of string topic, we start programming questions of string. Okay. In previous two sessions, we already covered two programs. In today's session, there is one more program for all of you. You can write that program, you can practice this type of program to clear your string concepts. If you have any doubt in string concept, then you can watch all the videos related to the string from my channel. So students, in today's session, we learn about how we can read a line, then count how many times any substring appears in that particular line, and then display the count variable. Okay, this is a very simple program that we learn in today's session. So now students, let's see how we can write a simple program. First of all, the first step of the program is I just want to read a line. That means my input. So I write str1 is equal to input, enter your string. Okay, enter your string. Simply I just input my string in this. Okay, now secondly, what is the next step? Substring. What I just want to count. The substring I just want to input. So I input is here. Okay. Directly I input is. You can use input method also in this. Okay. Now, if I just want to count a particular word, a particular substring. So a complete line is there. So I just want to break that line. Okay. So once I break that line, then only I can compare each word of that particular string as a substring. Okay. Now how can I break? So for that, we have a split function. Okay. I define one variable L here and I write str1 dot split. So by this line, what happened? Whatever my str string is, that is a split because in this bracket, nothing is there. So by default, it is split by the space. Wherever the space is there in my input, from that point, it splits and store the data in the my variable L in the form of list. Okay. Now, I already discussed when I explained the first program, whenever we talk about the count, we need one variable count and initialize that variable with a zero number. Okay. Now I start my for loop student for I in L. Okay. And in that, I just want to compare if I equal to str2. Then what happens, student? I just want count is equal to count plus 1. Okay. And after that, once my complete process is there, then I just print simply a one message that substring is appearing. You can give that appearing. Substring is appearing how many times? Okay. So here I print a count. Okay. Let's see how the for loop works in this. See, using this split function, entire my string is split and stored in a variable L in the form of list. Now, my list L is there. Okay. So from that, one word is there in the variable I in the first iteration. And after that, I just compare that iteration, that I value with the str2. If it is equal, then count value increases. If it is not equal, then the next iteration of for loop continues. This is the way how my loop continues. Once all the words of the string finish, or I'll just reach to the length of that particular list, then this for loop terminated, and at last we just print the value of count. So this is the simple way how we can work. Now let's take one simple example. Okay, suppose that my string is hello, I am fine. How are you? Okay. Hello, I am fine. How are you? What is your name? Okay, this is my simple string is there. Okay, now with space, this is split function. What is the working of this split function? Wherever the space is there, that split the string, store in a variable L. Okay, and then from that we start. Now, I will show you one more thing, students. If you have doubt that, ma'am, this L is a list or what, so we can do one thing. We can print L here, okay? This will give you better idea to understand that what is the data type of L or how the data is split and stored in the variable L. Okay, so this is the simple way. Now I run this program, students, and first of all, I'll just save my program. So I just give one name, count substring, okay, and then save my program here simply. Okay, now see, enter your string. So I write, what is your name? Simply I write here, what is your name? So now you see the split function work. What is the working of split function here? Wherever the space is there, from that point, it split my string and store in a empty list that is L. And substring is appear that is one time because is there one time. Okay, we can make one change in this also that you can here use str2 is equal to input method also. Okay, here I give message, enter your substring to search. Okay, you can give like this also, simply. Now again I save my program and run my program in this. So now what happened in this, I can give here a simple string. How are you? How are you? I am fine. Learn Python in a fun way. Okay, so this is my normally a string. Okay, so I just want to count a substring, not a character, a word. So now I enter my substring. So I can enter here I. Okay, I. So yes, see first of all the working of a split function. So split function split my complete original string in a separate words and store in a empty list L, and then it counts my substring according to my input. Okay, students, so this is the simple way. How can I write a program to count how many times a substring appears in that particular line, and then I just display the count value. I hope these concepts are clear to you now. If you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment section or you can mail us on our particular mail ID. If you do like my video, do press the like button, share your views in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get the updates of my upcoming videos. Till then, keep watching, keep studying, student.